Hi, this is Radha. I work as a software developer. I'm interested to learn about US healthcare and the current challenges that are faced in. I would like to develop productive software to address those problems. Now, let us see fhir server. fhir, pronounced as fhir, is an emerging standard from HL7 that defines RESTful web services for accessing similar information that could be seen in a CDA, that is, clinical document architecture. For example, consider someone writing an application for tracking individual patients' medication. If the input to this application is a CDA document, then the mobile developer has to analyze the CDA templates thoroughly to understand how the medication entries are presented, the various objects and the relationships. But with fhir, this experience is made simpler in terms of using an API where the patient is identified and the corresponding API call request can be made to retrieve their medication information. The RESTful API of fhir with its JSON formatted API call return data could expand the capability of EHRs by providing additional features that are not currently present. Because of all these powerful features, healthcare providers are really getting excited. Now let us see the resources in the fhir server. This is the home page of the GTFHIR server. This server is a complete implementation of fhir specification. Now let us see every resource in detail. I have clicked the patient menu. Here I have given the portion of either family or given name of the patient as Marla. When I click the search button, now we could see the patient ID as 523050 and we could see the full information for the patient Marla Dixon. Her first name and last name, given name, a date of birth and the address. Now let us see the conditions for the patient Marla Dixon. I have given the resource identity as 523050. Now when I click the search button, we could see 4 entries for the same patient. For example, the first entry 412510 has simple chronic bronchitis. We could scroll down to see the further entries. Now we can see the medication order for the same patient, Marla Dixon. I have given the resource identity as the patient ID 523050. When I click the search button, now we see 3 entries for the same patient. So for the ID 386325, I see the medication order as 24-hour metformin hydrochloride 500 mg extended release tablet. Now we can see the observation for the same patient. I have given the patient ID and on clicking the search button, I could see 27 entries for the same patient. So to view every entry, we can click the read button on the JSON bundle. So for the entry 440990, I see it as hemoglobin total in blood by HPLC. Now let us see fhir uses and its relation with StageMU3. fhir is very simpler to understand and can be used for basic use cases. fhir based APIs, when they are fully developed, could allow the providers to pull the discrete data from EHRs pretty easily. What is StageMU3? So according to StageMU3, physicians are required to allow patients to view, download or transmit their records either through a web portal or by an app. This StageMU3 feature would exactly be enabled when it is implemented in fhir. This would increase the data liquidity and this would also improve the usability of the EHR, that is electronic record. I see a really optimistic future in the fhir server implementation. Thank you.